So now we are going to go into the logical operations. So what are the logical operations we have in MATLAB and how to understand them using program. Yes, so we have come to the task and we are, as usual, we are going to go for the live editor. See the first task, we have the relation operators greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, strictly equal to, and not equal to. So you have totally 6 operators and all of them are going to return only 2 values, true or false. True represents binary 1 and false represents binary 0. Use the relation operator less than to test if pi is less than 4. So we are going to see whether the pi value is less than 4 or not using the relational operator, and we are going to output the value. So I'm going to say result equal to pi less than 4, and I'm going to disk result. Okay, so I am checking whether pi is less than 4. I'm storing the answer in result. I'm going to display the result. We'll see if we'll run the program and see if it is correct. Yes, an answer you see 1. 1 indicates true. Pi is 3.14. It is less than 4. So the answer is going to be true. True indicates binary 1. Correct. So this task is over. Now see the next